Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix SSRN login problems, account and download errors step by step clearly. If you're experiencing login problems with SSRN, follow these steps. First, check your internet connection to ensure it is stable. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies to remove any outdated data. Then, try using a different web browser to see if the issue persists. If that doesn't work, make sure you are entering the correct username and password. Ensure that your caps lock is off, as passwords are case sensitive. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link to reset it. Follow the instructions sent to your registered email to create a new password. Once you have reset your password, attempt to log in again. If you still cannot log in, check if there are any service outages on SSRN's official website or social. If the site is operational, consider disabling your browser extensions, as they may interfere with the login process. Try logging in from a different device to rule out any device-specific issues. If you're encountering download errors, verify that your browser is up to date. Next, enable pop-ups for the SSRN website, as some downloads may be blocked by pop-up settings. Ensure that your firewall or antivirus software isn't blocking the SSRN site. If you encounter an access denied error, confirm that your account is still active and not suspended. If your account has been inactive for a prolonged period, it may require reactivation. Reach out to SSRN support if none of these solutions resolve your issue. Provide them with detailed information about your login problems for better assistance. With these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix your SSRN login and download problems effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.